Hi friends, it's Mari. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to remind you, if you're new to my channel, that this channel is for advanced crafting techniques not meant for viewers under the age of 13. And today I'm going to be focusing on this gorgeous kit from Scrapbook & Cards today. This is an SCT delivered kit from the spring of 2018. I am going to be working on this kit today and showing you some of the things that you can do with this kit. It's a beautiful kit, and I just felt like doing something like this today, and I thought I would share it with you. So these kits are gorgeous. They usually come with a stamp set. This is a 4x6 stamp set that was designed by one of the design team members over at Scrapbook & Cards Today magazine. Also, along with the kit, you get instructions, this little brochure that's at the top of the kit here on my desk. I'm going to be showing you that here in a second, and some of the contents of the kit. And today I am going to create basically the design that was created by Megan Andrew here inside of this beautiful instruction booklet. And I love these designs. They're gorgeous. They are perfect for those times when you just want to create without having to do the thinking behind it. And I love that. Today was, like I said, today was one of those days when I wanted to do that. So the kits are very detailed. The layouts are very detailed and they're beautiful. Today I'm going to be working with these products that you see here, and I wanted to just show you all of the cardstock that you get. I say all of the cardstock, but actually it's not all here anymore because I have already used this kit a little bit. I'm going to be using this Stargazer paper from Dear Lizzie on both sides of this double page spread. So I'm going to be working on a double page spread here today. And I do have that booklet. Right now it's to the top right of the screen, but I am going to move it over to the left side of my table eventually here, just so that I have that as reference. So I took out the center of that Stargazer paper. I got the center out of it. And now what I'm doing is I took 1.5 inches off of a piece of one of the white cardstock pieces from the kit. And I'm going to use that just to layer over top of that frame of patterned paper. And the part that I gutted out of that paper is actually going to be used for part of the design for the other side of this double page spread. So I actually put the other white piece of cardstock that's going to form the right side of this double page spread on my table here. I wanted to give you a look at both sides of this double page spread so that you could see, the two-pager coming together here, so to speak. So this yellow piece of patterned paper is going to form the area over the gutter. And so this is going to be where the two pieces or the two sides join together. And one thing that you can do when you're doing a double page spread is you can flip your two pages over and you can tape the two pages together with some washi on the back so that it sort of stays aligned. Either that or you could put some washi at the top and bottom of the front of the pages, but it might get in the way if you do that. Anyway, I didn't do either of those things here today, but just a tip for you, because I do fuss with keeping the pages together here because I wanted them to stay aligned so I can get everything lined up straight when I'm putting these two pages together. So, yeah, I'm just going to work away at trimming down this yellow paper, and I am going to, like I said, put that on the two different sides across from each other on our double page spread so that they do align when we put those together in the page protectors in the binder. And I like how this looks. I think it's really neat. I love how Megan designed this layout so that it's different, a little bit different on the left and the right. They're not exactly mirror images, but this yellow piece that runs across both is the eye line that takes your eye from one side to the next. And the patterned paper that has that floral on it is used on both sides too, just to kind of bring the two sides together. So I'm going to cut a strip off of this flowered paper, and it's going to form a little banner on the right side. So I'm going to just take my scissors and fishtail one end of this for the banner. So I'll just cut it a little bit there up the center where the middle of the paper is, and then just cut on an angle up to meet where I've cut that in the center. And then that is the fishtail for that banner. And I'll put that, set that over on the right side for now. And now I'm just going to cut a 1/4 inch strip, 12 inches long. I'm going to do that twice. And those two 12-inch strips are going to go across that yellow paper on either side. And once again, that's going to provide an eye line to take your eye straight across. And that's just a really basic design principle in graphic design. I actually was the yearbook in chief person for our school. When I was a teacher, I taught a course that was pure journalism. And in that course, we did yearbook production. And I'm proud to say that the books we created won lots of awards. It was a really, really great experience. Our team of kids that took that class were always really, really keen to learn about graphic design. And it was really fun to teach that. So that's one of those basic things, right? Creating that eye line across both pages. What I did with the white cardstock in the kit was I also cut out a piece of white paper in the dimensions of the photographs that I was going to use in this layout. And that is where I will pop those photos up. I'm just going to chat a little bit here about what's happening with COPPA. I'm sure you've heard about that. I'm sure you've heard how content creators on YouTube are really struggling with understanding what this means for them. I am one of them. I'm not really sure yet what I am doing with my channel. If you suddenly see me disappear off of YouTube, I do have some ideas about where I might go next. I'm just really concerned about how it's all going to go down. I think things should be fine, but I'm not really sure yet. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. So, just to let you know, I am thinking about starting a Patreon. I haven't decided 100% yet. I've been doing a little bit of research and talking to some other creators about that and just kind of trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So stay posted on that one. If you're a subby here on YouTube and you follow me here, I've been on YouTube for my 5th anniversary is coming up here in February. And I've really enjoyed it. It's a really fun part of the process for me. And I enjoy sharing and, just getting ideas from other people, sharing ideas with you, inspiring you, all that kind of good stuff. And I just have really, really enjoyed it. So I hope that isn't coming to an end for me here on YouTube, but we'll just have to wait and see how things transpire. I don't believe I'm a content creator for kids, for children under the age of 13. Nothing on my channel is directed towards kids, but you never really know how content's going to be interpreted. So I'm just trying to sort all of that through and figure that out. I have taken some content down off of my channel just in case. And I have done a few other things just in preparation. But so I'm not really sure yet what's happening, and I will kind of keep you informed to let you know if I am moving somewhere else. I will let you know where I'm going if you would like to follow me. So I'm just working away here on this this layout and just trying to get some ideas of what I'm going to do here with the rest of the different little bits and pieces that I have for this from this kit. I did change it up. The suggestion in the layout that was created by Megan had the word spring where I'm putting the word happy. And of course you can see this is a wedding layout. The wedding layout that I'm working on here focuses on the reception at my daughter's wedding. And I've journaled and I've typed the journaling on my We Are typewriter about the food, specifically the sweets at the reception. The kids both really, really love sweets. And that was a really fun part of the planning of the reception for them. They had a 3-layer cake that was delicious. They had macaron, and they also had these little jars of mini cheesecakes. I do have a picture of macaron that I am going to replace that one cheesecake picture of. And I also actually ended up adding another die cut to the right side here that's not on here where I'm showing you. you will see that in the still shots, but it's just a die cut word that says laughter, and I put it above the group shot there on the right side. So that's my project today. Please make sure that you leave me a comment down below if you have any comments about anything that I've said here today, or you have any questions about the layout or scrapbook and cards today delivered kits. I will leave a link to the kits where you can find those in the description box down below. Thanks so much for stopping by today, guys. Have an amazing day, and I hope to see you here real soon. Bye-bye.